Hi, welcome to today's session. My name is Marion Brand from Brand Fitness, and I have a quick little cardio blast for you. So just short and sweet with a little bit of stretching at the end. So stick around, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and let's get started. Okay, so we're just going to warm up with a bit of motion first. So we're just going to go side to side and side to side. So you want to be sitting your bum back, side to side and side. Everybody looks fabulous. And then let's use those arms a little bit. Arms and then arms. Try to keep your chest up tall. And out and out. Okay, and then we're gonna go into, we're gonna turn, we're gonna lunge up, reach, and then just come down. And reach, and then come down. Reach up, and down. So really pull those lats down, and stretch out, and down. And I'm gonna do one more, and then we're turning, change direction, one leg, and just coming down and reach up. So you want to make sure your knee is not coming forward. You don't want to be pushing your knee forward. That will hurt. You just want to come straight down and up. Okay, this is working. I'm warming up. And down and up. I'm going to do two more. And one more. And let's just warm up those arms. So shoulders. Other way. Let's just march, we'll march. And I'm going to do little arm circles like this as we march. Shoulders back, chest is out. And then other way. Feel my shoulders. Okay, and then hold. We're just going to go open. And then, so I'm turning my palms. So there. Rotate. So nice because it opens up the chest, and then down, and open, down. That feels good. And then open, two more, and one more. Let's go into a squat from here. Feet are hip width apart. We're gonna sit down, and then coming back up. Sitting down, back up. So with your squat, see if you can go low. And I want you to engage your core. So stay up high. Think of your lower abs. If you really engage them, you're not going to be able to hinge too far at the hip. It's still a hip hinge, but I want you to stay up tall. Down, up, down. Core is engaged. Lock it in. And I'm going to do one more. Okay, great. So let's do hip rotations. Open. If you need to hang on for balance, then do that. You're open. And open. Let's do the other leg. And open. And open. So again, your core is engaged. This is, balance is, there's a correlation between your abdominals and the balance. If you're like loose, you're gonna have you won't have any balance. Okay, so let's do knee lifts, lift, and breathing. Slow and controlled, so you get a little bit more balance and balance. Hold, hold. Two more, and one more. Let's go back to those arms. So open, and then, so rotation. Rotate, and rotate. Rotate, side to side lunge. So you go side, out, and then side. Drive those arms out. And drive those arms out. One more. Okay, a little bit of an air skip, or a little jog. Jog in place. You got it. You can do this. Let's open those arms, breathe. And then down. And One and one more. Okay, so cardio, we're gonna do the jacks. Around the cardio, so jumping jacks. Then we're gonna do elbow to knee, like this. You can jump if you want, or keep it low impact. And then skaters, so side to side, low impact, or push off, push off. I'm gonna do 2 rounds, 30 seconds, 10 seconds rest. Okay, jumping jacks are first. In 3, 2, 1, go. So low impact here, or just jumping. It's only 30 seconds. Pick what's right for you. If you're jumping, landing softly. Great. Still going. I like it. Still going. Almost there. And stop. We've got the elbow to knee. So here and here. So stand tall. Try to crunch the floor a little bit. You can keep this low impact. My heart rate's up from those jacks. If you want to keep it going, you can jump. Keep going. Pick what's right for you. Try to actually crunch so you can feel in the core. Shoulders are back still. Awesome. And stop. Skaters are next. So we're going to skate side to side. You can do a tap, or you can actually push off. Drive those arms through. The bigger the arms are, the more higher your heart rate will get. Push. Looking good. Keep breathing. Still going. Push. Push. Really working. Heart rate's going up. It is. I can feel it. Breathe. Almost there. Stop. We're doing one more round. If you need to rest, then just take it now. We're going back to the jacks. You can go low impact too. Go! So low impact, if you need to. You need to catch your breath or take it away. Yeah, and if you can't, you can even just move the arms. Whatever works. 10 seconds. Almost there. I can feel this. Where's the time gone? Okay, we're going into the skaters. Last one. So, my heart rate cuff is yours. Side to side. And go. Keep it. Big arms if you can. Push it off. This is the last one. Take it away. Come on. Keep those shoulders back. Pushing off with the glute medius. Go. My carpet's sliding. I can't push off too much. 8 seconds. We're so close. Keep it going. Oh, awesome. Stop. Just marching it out. We're going to pull that down. Wings to great. So, stop and marching. We're just going to go and go. Roll those shoulders. Roll and roll. Let's roll it the other way. Take it around. Roll. Let us cool down, and then we're going to stretch and roll. And let's do that knee lift. We're going to hold and then arms out. Hold, balance, arms out, hold, arms out, and hold, out, hold, out. We'll do 2 more. And you can feel it in your lower abs here. Oh, that's so sweaty. It's warm up today though, isn't it? So from here, inner thigh stretch. We'll come down, we'll just hold. So we want our heart rate to come down after I did all that cardio with you. But it will. And then we'll go to the other side, a little bit of active stretching. And then the other side again. And then the other side again. Just come up, bring those feet in. Take your hands around the barrel and stretch so you feel lower back. And then come in, breathe in. Nice deep breath. And then stretch it out again. And then come in. And we'll do it again. So tuck it under. And then back in. Fix my carpet. Okay, going into hamstring. So heel, sitting back, hands always on the bent leg. You can feel that stretch right in the back of your leg. Stick that bum out. That feels good. And then the other side. So heel on the floor, toes up, sitting back, hand on the bent leg. Oh, I can definitely feel that. Let's go into a quad stretch. So holding one leg up. You can hang on if you need to. You can use a chair or something and push your hip forward. This one's not high enough for me. So just pull, push. Depends on how tight you are. Some are really tight, so you do what's right for you. Make sure that hip's pushing forward. Hold your ear, that helps with balance. Other leg. So grab that foot, or some people grab the back of your shoe. Push that hip forward, hold your ear. That helps with balance. Or you touch your nose. It all works. It's amazing. And then coming down, let's just go down to your knees. I'm gonna tuck my pelvis under. So tuck under and then release. So bum is out. Now you're gonna tuck your bum under. You can feel that stretch all through your lower back here. And release. And tuck it under. And release. So let's roll all the way up. Roll it up. And shoulders. So we'll go into the arms. So bring one arm across. Shoulders are back, chest is out. And just hold. And then we'll do the other side. And then let's reach up high and then just over. So you're standing. I'm kneeling right now so you can see me. And then we'll go to the other side. And reach up and over. And we are done. We're gonna take a deep breath, breathe in, all the way up and down. And what do you say? Yes, good job. Thanks so much for joining me for this quick little session, cardio blast. I hope you had a good workout. I certainly did. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and check out my links for Zaya Active. Also, check out the links down below in the description box for my online programs. So have a great day and we will see you in the next video.